Hey, you're about to watch another WordPress video from this guy. I really like his videos. However, if you really want to work smart with WordPress, I developed a complete turnkey system with all the premium plugins you will need, including Elementor Pro and all its add-ons, Astra Pro and all its add-ons, Yoast SEO, Thirsty Affiliates Pro. I'm here to help you every step of the way. I've been in the online training trenches since 1995. Do I have all the answers? Oh, hell no. But let me share with you, you'll get a complete turnkey system of 7 niche websites, including a Halloween and Christmas website. Now, you can do anything you want with these websites. After all, it's WordPress. But this is basically geared towards you making money doing affiliate marketing with Amazon, Best Buy, Walmart. But I'm going to share with you how to work smart. And I'm going to share with you how to earn without selling. So right now, if you head over to my website, you can get 7 niche marketing websites, turnkey system, domain names included, everything you need to start out $199, and after that it's $299 every 3 months. But if you want a really great deal for WP Crafter viewers, watch this. If you click this button, this pops up. Now, if you want to get my free roadmap to earning 6 figures within the next 12-15 months, then fill out this form. Also watch my video here, it's about 30 minutes. But here's my $199 for 90-day trial for 5 niche sites plus 2 bonus, the Christmas and the Halloween website. Turnkey, domain names, hosting, everything is included, plus tons and tons of premium software, WordPress, themes, and plugins, including, again, Elementor Pro, all the Elementor Pro add-ons, Astra Pro, Astra add-ons, and all the Yoast SEO premium plugins. But watch this. If you click right here, you will get my yearly package of 7 websites, normally $897. So if I click here again, you'll see it's now $697. But if you click here and you put in the word WP Crafter, you will get an extra $200 off, making your total investment for 7 websites $497. Now, $497 divided by 7 divided by 365 is roughly 20 cents a day. So let's think about something. 7 turnkey, professionally built niche marketing websites. I have all the bells and whistles and all the free training you want in the back end for under 20 cents per website per day. So let's think about something. If you can't make more than 20 cents a day, guess what? You have failed. More importantly, I have failed. So if you're tired of chasing shiny objects, and as great as the training is on YouTube could be, why not get a complete turnkey system? I've done all the heavy lifting for you. I've been in the trenches. I started out my career here in New York City back in 1987 teaching marketable software. I opened up a boutique training company and became the #1 best-selling training company from 91 to 2002 here in New York City. After about 2004, I started devoting all my time to online training and online development. I've been in the WordPress trenches since day one. So I spent a year and a half honing and perfecting this complete turnkey system. Now, before you go, let me share with you my 95-year-old newest student, Dominic, World War II vet. He launched a Halloween website in a couple of minutes, spent 45 minutes putting in, curating the information he wanted to put. Since September 24th, he's already made over $500. And here's Dominic's website. Everything you need, it's basically earning without selling. Okay? Professionally built, you can make this look any way you choose because after all, it is a WordPress website. So click the banner ad, go check out, click the banner ad. Go check out my free training program, and if you want a super deal by using the code WP Crafter, you get an additional $200 off. So 7 niche marketing turnkey websites for $497, which is about 20 cents per day per website. Thank you for being here. My name is Robert Farrell. Stay home, stay safe, and stay positive. Carpe Diem 2020.